All right. Let's do it. We're working out. We live. We back in here again today. Let's go. Stick to the cardio. Cardio time. Just like we do usually on Thursdays. I usually go live in the morning, but hey, I had to make sure I got it in. So I'm getting it in. Now I'm bringing it down real quick. I'm gonna do 1 minute on, 1 minute off. We're gonna do some intervals here. And we just gonna get it chat and talk and chat about all kinds of things going on in the world of tech right now. We have a lot of people complaining about Windows, right? And talking about the hardware that you have to have to upgrade to Windows 11, things like that. Um, what else we have going on in the world? AI wars, AI, the line. Just like they lied about the cloud stuff too, but you gotta have buzzwords every once in a while. So I get it. I'm not mad over it, or anything like that. Um, But so I get it. You gotta have your sales point. When you land people off just to get your sales points, it's kind of shady, bro. We don't need that. We don't need to get little cheap points like that, land people off. They should have done a slow integration with AI and kept some of their hard hitting people, right? Because I've worked for the FANG companies before, so I know how it goes there, how much pressure you're under just to get things out or get things done. So I definitely get it. And then I understand how promotion cycles go. If you're not constantly pushing out something new, they're not going to be messing with you like that. And you're not going to get promoted. And then you get locked into your cycle. And then at the end of that cycle, that 4 year cycle, you get put on a PIP in the last year. And of course, if you don't they move you to another team first, but if you don't get promoted on that new team, then you're out of there. And these are all new people that you're working with, a new org within the company. So you really don't know anybody either. So you're bound to get screwed. So the AI thing is crazy. I mean, laying off people and you're not really getting things done with AI. It's cute for like menial tasks, soft skills, things like that. But coming in a workspace where you've had thousands, literally thousands of developers coming in and some writing good code, some writing bad code, and you want AI to come in with some non-standard stuff and fix that. That's insane, right? It's showing the level of confidence at these large companies and these management roles and stuff like that. Thanks for joining us. Drop a W in the chat. Keep the chat active. Right now, I'm just talking about tech layoffs and the AI right now. We're keeping the conversation going. Drop a W in the chat for when, right? Right. Let's spam the chat on that. But yeah, so a lot of these tech companies are dropping off for driving people for AI. Oh, hey, CJ Show. Hey, Sawyer Hughes. Hi, how you doing? There you go. There you go. You in. You're in. I thank you. I appreciate it. All right, we got 24 in here. Let's drop some likes. Drop some stuff in the chat. Let's keep it going. Are you guys using AI right now? And what are you guys using AI for? That's the topic of discussion right now. What are you guys using AI for? Because, I am a proponent for AI, but I think it's overblown right now. They're going crazy on it. And right now, if you're wondering what this is, I go live usually on Thursdays, and I do my cardio session just to give a little IRL, right, in real life, for those of you who are not familiar, and just show you what I do, what my day looks like. Thank you, sorry Hughes, for subscribing. I appreciate y'all. If you just got here, drop a W in the chat. And I was talking about the FANG companies that I used to work for. I'm familiar with them. How they just put, what people call it now, AI slop out. They put code out fast, but they don't really thoroughly vet it. And I've been there. I understand it. They're under a lot of pressure, right? You got people making anywhere from 150K to 400K, and they want to get promoted. They want to get more RSUs. They have families. They have goals. They have things they need to get done. And the only way to be competitive is kind of push and buy into like the new hotness, which is AI. But it's definitely overblown, right? It's great for documents, documentation, things like that. But coming in behind some people, thousands of developers who might not be writing standardized code. They might be just writing any kind of code or very junior or elementary code. And then now you're saying AI come in behind this junior or off script elementary code that's not necessarily standard, or they found the workaround for and they didn't document it. So now AI is searching the interwebs and outer webs and it's trying to find a solution that meets what's already been written, but what's written is wrong, right? Or it's undersized for what the standard is, right? So you might need 3 or 4 servers or 3 or 4 databases. You might need 2 databases, right? You might need a failover and a backup, but they might be running on one single database, and then they might have the actual the database file to seed it, right? They might not need these long. I'm not long. They might not need all that actual active data. They might just seed the database and bring in new data for whatever it is that they run, whatever their application is. So there's different standards out there. There's all kinds of things going on in the world. And you saying AI come into this environment, come into this workspace where people have written thousands of code for 10 years, and I want you to actually continue the workflow just like you're a new employee. Impossible. You couldn't write enough code to actually account for every mistake, every mishap, every fat finger that people have written in those millions of lines of code. AI can't do it. Now, what you can do, and what I always suggest to people, and I probably shouldn't say this out here, but who's gonna see it? You should definitely build up, keep maintain your employees over here, and then build up a new infrastructure with the AI, which could be built pretty much perfectly, right? Now, when you build it in perfectly, now AI can come in and construct things and maneuver like it's expected to. It's going to have the 3 nines. It's going to have the backups. It's going to stick to all the rules, right? It's going to have all the MTTR, mean time to recovery, right? It's going to follow all the guidelines, all the security levels, right? Access controls. It's going to follow all those different things, and you can have that in place if it starts from the ground up. But when you have a foundation built on poison pills, I mean, you can't win like that. Nope, not needed. Hey, I see you down there. Comment and keep the chat hot. We want to keep dropping W's in the chat right now. We're just talking about AI right now and what the likelihood is that it'll be able to come in and replace what we're doing in these tech environments today. I feel like it's highly unlikely. But who knows, right? Give me a like, guys. Share, like, comment, subscribe. Check out some of our other videos. We will be having a Mac Mini giveaway this month. Apple changed the prices on me, so I had to hold off a little bit. It went up $200. I was trying to give out 2 this month. I was waiting to see if prices would maybe change or do something different, and I couldn't really do it. I thank you. I appreciate it. Drop the W's in the chat, please, if you just got here. But so keep in mind, if you join our school account, you will be eligible to go ahead and win a Mac Mini. I'm gonna come out with a big video for that. Check out our old video. We had Jack win our first Mac Mini giveaway. So we do give away things here. Always stay tuned. Keep up with what's going on. I do have a busy lifestyle, but I want to give you guys value constantly, right? So that's that, right? Then we have the Windows thing. A lot of people are trying to switch over and go ahead and get Linux now, which is great. Tyler Williams, I see you. In. Very good. Shout out to Tyler Williams for coming in and checking in. I like the likes. We got 5 likes. We were at 30. We're going to get back there. All right, I got to get back to running. I said I was going to do a minute on, 2 minutes off. I got to catch up. I'm behind. I'm about to go for 2 minutes on this interval. All right. Give me a like. Give me a subscribe. Right. Let's improve this challenge. Let's make it one of the biggest challenges out here. Right. What are you guys working on right now? Do you guys use AI? Let me know. What are some tech issues you guys are having with right now? And this is the best time to get in tech right now. They're gonna have to rehire so many people. You're gonna be in that wave. There's gonna be an extreme wave of tech hires. Okay, in the next 2 years, so many people are gonna be hiring the tech to fix all the problems with AI and make AI more robust. You need to be that person. You need to be there. You can be there. You can be there. All in your face. You can be there. Okay? I'm talking to you. You can do this. Let's go. Let's go. We're getting cardio in, talking that tech, talking that talk. We're gonna walk the walk too. Keep dropping, spam the chat. We got chat activity. YouTube, you better show my videos to everybody scrolling. Show my video. Let's go. Come on, YouTube. Don't hate on me. Come on, YouTube. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. We're bringing it down. Yeah, we got the cardio going. Tyler, thank you for keeping the activity going. I appreciate it. Whew. Tyler, where you from, buddy? Where you from? Whew. Are you in tech right now? Do you do cardio? Do you work out? Whew. I'm supposed to drop 40 pounds. When I started at the top of the year, I still got 38 to go. Whew. Insane. Really 37, but still. Oh, you from New York? All right, Tyler. I appreciate you checking in from New York. Y'all see that? We got Tyler checking in from New York, guys. You need to be a part of this. Be a part of this channel. Make things happen over here. And we're going to be adding new wrinkles all the time. You get a lot of IRL with me. Because now, one thing I said, if you are interested in YouTube, you got to remember, YouTube is changing. People are getting on Instagram a little bit more. Instagram's going to die a little bit. But they're also on TikTok. But what you have to do is bring in other elements. You just can't be just on your particular topic, right? You have to give, hey, I got a life. I'm active. Oh, you doing? Okay. All right, nice, man. Yeah. I mean, it's rough out here. I mean, I'm doing all right and I'm working right now, but whew, I'm working. I'm trying to get weight down and keep life in order, things like that. Whew, it's a balancing act. That's the truth. Right. Let's get it. All right, so I took a long break there. Let's go back to it. 2 on, so from 19 minutes to 21 minutes on my treadmill. Let's get it. Keep a good pace here. We're going to go for it. Oh, okay. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tyler Williams. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Let's go. Happy birthday. We got a birthday. This is the first one. Went live on somebody's birthday. Come on, let's go. No problem, no problem. We're gonna. Ooh, let's go. It's your birthday. Oh, it's your birthday. Oh, it's your birthday. Oh, oh, let's go. What year is this for you? What is it, a milestone? Appreciate you hanging in there with me. I appreciate you. Let's get it. Ooh. Ooh. A happy birthday on this live. Y'all missed it. Y'all done missed it. We got a birthday in here, man. Look how important. Hey, look how this challenge is going out. We got a birthday today. Y'all show Tyler some love. Drop something in the chat. Let's go. We got a birthday today. Act like it. Get in there. Show some love. Show some love on the happy birthday. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. It's your birthday. Let's go. It's your birthday. Let's go. Oh, it's going on loud. Woo. All right. I got my 2 minutes and some in. And some. And we did a birthday. No doubt. Woo. No doubt. Let's go for it. Ooh, I got like a little off. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Hey. All I want for my birthday is a big booty. Oh. 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 All I want for my birthday is a oh. 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 All I want for my birthday. Woo! All right, guys. I see several of y'all joined the chat. We have a birthday in here. We're talking about AI. We're talking about tech. We're talking about balancing life, right? Go ahead, drop a W in the chat. Let me see you, or drop a hi, so I know that you're here, right? How else would I know that you're here if you don't drop a hi? And let me know who you are. I'll give you a shout out. We have a birthday we're celebrating today. If you find it in you, drop a HBD or happy birthday in the chat for Tyler. We're celebrating Tyler's birthday today because we do that over here, okay? What are you guys doing? Can you throw something in there? Take it out of your time, say hi, drop a happy birthday, give a like. It costs you nothing, right? We want to see that over here out of the kindness of your heart. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. So we're back to it, right? We're moving on. What do you guys think about Spirit Airlines, right? You think tech could have saved them, or they needed to buy more fuel a year ago, 6 months ago? They probably didn't have enough cash on hand for that, but that's crazy. Spirit Airlines dropped all their planes, all their flights, all their employees, all their customers. Wow, this has been a crazy week. And then we have the Hantavirus or Hantavirus. They got all those people stuck on a cruise ship. This is crazy. We've I had all this happen in 1 week. 1 week. We've had layoffs. We have Spirit collapsing. We have I gotta get the name of this. Hack the virus. Somebody drop the virus name in here for me. And I don't forgot what the name of the virus was. This is crazy. I can't go through another pandemic. What about you guys? Can y'all go through another pandemic? I just can't do it. I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna be outside, walking by myself, working out by myself. I'm gonna have to get fresh air. I can't do another COVID pandemic 2020. No, sir. Tyler, what are your plans for your birthday? You gonna go out? You gonna blow out a candle on a cupcake? Where you got going? Let's jump back in it. I got another 2 minute session. I gotta get active. Tyler, let me know something. People in the chat, let me know something. Drop a W. Say hello. Hey out there, I see y'all. Y'all in the chat lurking, right? I don't need any glaze. I just need y'all to say something. I just need a hi, a bye, a W, or something. Give me a like. It costs you nothing. Let's go. We're going in 2 minutes. 2 minutes on here. Woo. So I'll take this from 1830 to 2030 on the YouTube clock. Let's go. And we're doing it. We're celebrating birthdays. We're partying. We're talking about new current events, right? Things happening this week. Are y'all worried about that virus out there or not? I wonder if they got an app out already to track it. What do you think? There's opportunities for everything. They might have that already. Let's go. And we're going to the 2030 on this clock. 2030 on this clock. Let's get it. Woo. And I'll be working the chat out in a second because I see y'all in here lurking. Let's go. Come on, if you in here, give me something. Give me a like. Give me a happy birthday to Tyler. Let's go. Happy birthday. Shout outs. Say hello. Spam that chat. Spam that chat. Spam that chat. Let's go. Let's push. You're with Case Tech tonight. That's all you need to be. That's the only place you need to be. And we got a birthday in the house. Drop an HBD. Happy birthday in the chat. One more lap around the sun. Let's go. All right, guys. I have about 30 seconds left on this interval right here. And we're getting a light jog in, keeping it going. so I can get active, so I can get a pretty good burn, good sweat. I respect it. I hope you do too. Let's go. We're gonna give Tyler a shout out real quick. Let's do it. When I stop, we're gonna read all that stuff in the chat and give all the love and appreciation. All right? Woo! That was a good one. Y'all could be anywhere in the world right now, but y'all chose to be right here, and I appreciate you for that. We got a birthday in here. Drop a like. Show that appreciation for the people in here, all right? Oh, sorry, bro. I have to get off. Now it's like my bedtime now, but I hope you be famous because I feel like you deserve it, bro. You're the best. The best of all of them. I feel like you deserve. Thank you. I appreciate that, Tyler. I understand you have to go. Do your thing. Good night. Hope that you get famous. Can I feel like you deserve it, bro? Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate you. It only takes one. Remember what Speed said. Every day I would tune in, and it would be one. One member every day. Then it became two. Two would be four. Four would be eight. Eight would be 16. 16, 32. 64. 128. 256. Right? 512. 1024. If you're not sure with that, that's bytes. All right? And we got you, right? Or bits, you say whatever. We're counting like that. That's tech counting. Okay? Because we do that over here. Thank you, Tyler, for tuning in. Thank you, all of you, for tuning in. Tyler had a birthday today. And Tyler turned it in early. Because Tyler has plans for tomorrow. Tyler has things that he has to do, okay? Tyler lost his family about a year ago, and Tyler's still pushing, okay? Thank you, Tyler. You gave on your birthday. You shared a story on your birthday. We appreciate you for that. I hope you have a great year, a great week. And tomorrow you wake up full of energy and ready to take over. Because you deserve it, Tyler. Let's get it. What we got going on? What y'all got going on in the world? I'm taking the scale up. I'm gonna walk on the incline for the next 5, and then I'm gonna get out of here. But I want you guys to have a good night tonight, right? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing this weekend? It's Mother's Day this weekend. If your mother's still alive, show some appreciation. You know, if it's just picking up the phone, taking her out, or just spending some time. Make sure you make that happen this weekend. All right? I want to see you all win. I want to see y'all succeed. I appreciate you guys. Y'all came through. Y'all showed out tonight. In a little bit of time, in less than a half hour, you guys showed up, showed me love, showed Tyler some love on Tyler's birthday. I appreciate y'all for that. Y'all did y'all thing. There we go. Right? So let's talk about it. What do y'all think about Spirit? Spirit Airlines is crazy. It shut down. I've only tried to fly Spirit one time in my life, and it was a bad experience. I was at BWI, and the flight got canceled. So I ended up having to fly like Delta, and I ended up getting out to Vegas. I was trying to go to Vegas for a reunion with some friends, some college friends, and it didn't work out for me. But that's okay. That was the only time I was going to fly Spirit, right? But I've heard a lot of other people say Spirit will cancel on you in a heartbeat. You know, and not guaranteed. They have a lot of stuff with them, which is fair enough. But I feel for the people who got stranded this week trying to fly Spirit, for the people who lost their jobs. My heart goes out to you. It's nothing like being laid off. It's not cool at all, right? Your livelihood, if you got family, you support, anything, any kids, parents, family, pets, and even just yourself, right? Even if it is just yourself, you gotta find a new way. I did hear that some of the other airlines are trying to pick up some of their people and some of their routes. So hopefully that works out for all of you that were affected by that. I can't imagine what that's like. You're going somewhere and you can't get a flight back or anything like that. I know that they're talking about it being difficult for people who are lower earners to actually travel, because this is the first time and probably for about a 10, 12-year run there where people could actually travel and have 2 vacations in one year. Whereas 30, 40 years ago, You might have one or two vacations, and the farthest you would go to is the local theme park. That's an hour or two away as a family, and that would be everything that you have, maybe for the year, maybe for 3 or 4 years, right? You might only go one vacation. So we had a good run. It's not over, I hope, but if it is, everyone had a good run. And I always say, like, take advantage of the good times when things are rolling. Roll with it, uh, within reason, of course. But you gotta take advantage while the getting is good, right? Get while the getting is good, as the saying goes, right? Whew. But we're getting it in. I got the cardio going. And like I said, I appreciate all of you who came in here tonight, showed us some love over here at Case Technologies. Hey, I'll give y'all a big smile. Right, hope it brightens up your day. I'm giving you toxic positivity all the time over here. I'm gonna be so positive it's gonna feel toxic, okay? But that's what I want. That's what I like in my day to day. That's how I am genuinely, you know, most of the time. So I like to see people smile. I like to be smiling. I like to be in a good space because we're in the land of living, so we must live. All right. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Peace to you all. And to all a good night. Hey, I saw somebody just come in here, drop a W. I got you now. I got you. I got you. I got you. Drop a W. Drop a like. Show some love if you haven't already. So we can go ahead and close out a smooth one. Thank you for coming in here. Like I said, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna try to get in here more. I got that giveaway coming. Be ready. Stay tuned. All right. Woo. A great workout. Woo. Appreciate y'all. Y'all, quick 360.